Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to jump right into the tutorial today. I've already primed and set my eyes, so I'm picking up a black eyeshadow from the JACLYN Hill palette and I am packing that on my lid. I'm going to keep packing and patting. You don't want to blend in circle motions. I'm bringing it all the way up to my crease like that. And do keep in mind, smoky eyes look awful until they're all the way done. So I picked up the dark brown shade right above the black shade and I am wiping that into my crease and I'm going to leave it like that for just a second. And then I'm picking up a lighter transition shade and I am blending out the very outer edges of that dark brown. And then I felt like I was getting a little carried away here with my eyeshadow, so I put on a little setting powder. That's totally optional. Definitely don't have to do that. But yeah, so I am basically for the next, like, obviously I cropped a lot of it out, but for the next couple minutes I was going back and forth between the dark brown and the light brown and the black and adding and blending and adding and blending. When you're doing a lot of blending, it tends to take away a lot of the color of the eyeshadow that you're working with, so you definitely need to go back and forth between your eyeshadows to really blend everything out and get the desired intensity that you want. So yeah, just know that it takes a lot of blending, but it is going to be worth it. And the lower lash line is going to be even easier. I'm just picking up that black eyeshadow on a detailing defining brush and I'm packing that on to my lower lash line, going all the way from my outer corner to basically my inner corner. And I'm also getting it in my waterline as well, just to really intensify the look. So pack it on as little or as light as you'd like. And then all you're going to want to do is just blend it out with a brown shade. I just went for the very light brown shade that I used on my upper eye. So I am diffusing that black. We're smoking it out. We're making this a very bold, dramatic black look. And now all you have to do is highlight your eye, and that's pretty simple. So I just use the second shade in the palette. It's a really pretty shimmer. I like to do shimmers when I do have something dark on my eye for an inner corner highlight. It makes everything pop. It just really pulls the look together, I think. What do you guys think? Comment down below. But anyway, so lashes, mascara, pretty simple. And then I'm filling in my brow. I'm using the e.l.f. Brow Pomade Lock-On Liner. I start at the bottom of my brow and I kind of shape that out first, fill in the front half very lightly, and then I shape the top half of my brow. And to clean it up, I am just using a very small amount of concealer. This is most likely the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 5. To contour today, I'm using my Bahama Mama bronzer. You guys know I use it all the time, so I'm doing my cheekbones, my temples. I'm going to be doing kind of right underneath my jaw here to define that, underneath my lip a little bit, and then I'm also going to be doing a really extreme nose contour. Don't worry, I'm baking right next to that. So the plan is in a couple minutes I will blend that up into my contour and then we'll have a nice looking contour. To warm my face up just a little more, I'm using my Tarte Hotel Heiress bronzer. Really, I am just going to be working that into my cheeks. And then for blush, I'm using this gorgeous blush, obviously, from Juvia's Place. This is the shade Serafina. It's so pretty and it's so pigmented, so watch out when you put it on. And then I'm using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlight. It is one of my favorite highlights and definitely one of my favorite highlights to use when I do a really dark eye. So yeah, I'm basically putting that all over my face and that's the tea. So here I am, I'm wiping off my nose contour. Well, I'm not wiping it off. I'm wiping off the bake. And then I am setting my face with this Morphe setting spray. I still have mixed, I can't tell if I like it or not. But anyway, I'll report back when I know. So I go over my face with a sponge to just really make sure everything is nice and blended out. And then I'm hitting my nose with that highlight. So I go in with my finger first and I apply it to the bridge of my nose and then a little dot on the tip, and then I just kind of buff it out with my highlighting brush. For lips today, I also wanted to be dramatic, so I'm using this purple lip liner from NYX, and to be honest, I used a nude one in my last tutorial and I couldn't find it, so I'm thinking these are just not made anymore. So just find any dark purple lip liner, line your lips, and fill them in ever so slightly because we're going for this whole ombre lip idea. And I'm using this red lipstick from Morphe and then just patting on a clear gloss, and that's the finished look. So everything I used will be listed down below. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Comment down below, let me know if you would wear this for a Valentine's Day look or if you are a person who is going to wear something softer, because I definitely want to get a softer look up on my channel. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!